This one-of-a-kind custom-built home offers just over 4,600 square feet of living space, 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, and one of the best views in Macomb. Setting on just over 2 private acres in Scotland Glen Subdivision, this contemporary prairie-style home was built in 2006, and features cherrywood flooring, woodwork, doors and cabinetry all custom-made for the home. The main level is finished with an open floor plan with lots of large windows with spectacular views of the countryside. Kitchen is open to the living/dining rooms, and is equipped with stainless steel appliances, cherry cabinetry, soapstone countertops and bar service area. The dining room is open to the living room and has a walkout to a screened-in porch. The large great room has a gas fireplace and walkout to a patio area with lots of room for entertaining and hot tub. The main level of the home has 2 bedroom suites. Both have ensuite baths and large closets. You will also find a large foyer and powder room. The upper level of this home is the primary bedroom suite, with large full bath and walk-in closet, a great owner's escape. The lower level of the home is finished with a family/game room, 2 large guest bedrooms, full bath, large laundry area, and lots of storage. Other great features of the home are the 2-car attached garage.